Now the results are as follows. We have one Frederick Omondi who garnered 1,336 votes. Number 2, we have Joseph Otieno who garnered 2,789. We have the last, who is Moses Omondi, who got 5,329 and the winner.
I want to ask and request those who who committed with the two other gentlemen, Honorable Member Otieno Luru and Honorable Member ZB Owino, who also took part in this exercise. I want to request them that it has now been, I've been declared the winner, but I want to humbly ask them that they should join me, being members of ODM, to support me towards now the final, the final race, which will be conducted by the IBC on 27th of November 2025. Everyone else who attended this ceremony, I want to thank you and wish you well. Thank you so much. Thank you.